Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. As we celebrate today the feast of Saint Matthias, this beloved apostle of Jesus holds the name of the apostle chosen by Lot, peculiar or unique to the 11 other disciples who were called by Jesus directly by name with such presence. Si Matias po ay pinili ng mga alagad sa pamamagitan ng pagboto ng isang makataong pagpili. And we've witnessed the flow of the decision or the choice. There were choices, Barsabas and Matthias, and eventually we saw and heard how Matthias was chosen. But in between those two lies important messages and actions. And in that short and yet brief, shall we say, definition, the Acts of the Apostles made the mentioned these words. Then they prayed. And after praying, they selected and dropped their lots to whomever will be their choice. There was a choice, there were choices. They prayed, they chose someone. Matthias was named an apostle. And isn't it this a good flow as well for all of us, my dear brothers and sisters? All of us that I do believe facing a number of good choices every day. Because when we say discernment, it is not about choosing something bad and something good. Discernment is always choosing two goods. Walang masama. Lahat positive. And when hopefully we are into that experience of choosing something more than dropping by our own ideals and our own wants to that which we will be choosing, let us not forget that simple reminder and the beautiful ingredient of choosing and discerning, praying over it. Ano man ang pagdedesisyonan, pagdasalan. Nung ako man po ay nagdesisyon bilang magpari, hindi ko naman po finactor in lang na dahil walang marahil na magiging magandang buhay para sa akin sa labas, kaya sige magpapari na lang ako. But no, this decision was and will always be a fruit of prayer. Maybe in your own little ways, you were asked, oh, this is an offer to you. Will you be stepping up? Will you be staying in your position? Then we know there is indeed a temptation, ako, aangat ako. But hopefully in the middle of that decision, we've prayed over it. We have decided what's to do and what's the will of God. At hindi man ito sa desisyon lamang po, all our simple days or every simple act of our lives. Hopefully, let us not forget the ingredient of prayer when we choose and when we need to decide on something. Because in the spirit of prayer, in the spirit of the Lord nourishing our decisions, we are then led to what is His will, to what will make us happy, to what we will die for in this life. Let us not forget that one simple ingredient in our daily decision, praying over it. And in praying over everything, we know that eventually we will be all led to the will of God and to the grace of God accompanying us. in this life.